Two graceful towers rise from the sand. Two towers that transform mind and body. This is where physical and mental well-being collides with natural beauty. Where the pristine blue waters of the Atlantic meet the white sand beaches of Singer Island. Where world-class adventures intersect with splendor. Welcome home to Amrit Ocean Resort and Residences, a place where 5-star service is a part of everyday living. Born out of Eastern philosophies, Amrit is bridging luxury living and the pursuit of wellness in unprecedented fashion. Amrit Residences offer ultra-luxurious condominiums, the finest finishes, and superlative amenities. Several globally inspired gourmet restaurants offer the finest in clean and healthy cuisine. Amrit's luxury resort will transport you on a euphoric journey of wellness. And you'll relax your mind, awaken your senses at one of the world's premier spas, found only at Amrit. It's a world-class destination that encompasses a community of people dedicated to living this incredible lifestyle with a focus centered around 5 pillars of wellness. Amrit Ocean Resort and Residences, Singer Island Sales Center now open.